Hello, kindergartners. Welcome to kindergarten. This is Miss Mandy. I will be helping you with art. So we are going to be doing directed drawings together. You are going to need your directed drawing piece of paper from your packet, a black marker, and some crayons. Today, we're going to be drawing an apple. So you need a red crayon, a yellow crayon, a green crayon, and a brown crayon. So first, we're going to talk about some basic shapes that you will need when we do our drawing lessons together. So first we're going to talk about the circle. The circle has no sides and no corners. So I'm going to see if I can find that one. There it is, the circle. And the next shape we're going to talk about is a square. So a square has 4 sides and 4 corners. So we will be using that shape as well. And then our last shape is a triangle. And a triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. So those are the shapes you can look at if you need help while we're drawing. And another thing you are going to need to know is the difference between the top of the paper and the bottom of the paper. So sometimes I'm going to ask you to draw something at the top, which is the furthest point up here. This is up on the top. And then the bottom is the lowest point. And then right here is the center or the middle. And sometimes I'll ask you to draw something there as well. So first we're going to get out our black marker. And we're going to start with the circle shape. And we're going to begin in the middle of our paper. We're going to draw one big circle. So I'm going to start here in the middle and do a big curved line all the way around back up to where I started. Now once you're done with your circle, we are going to draw a square. So these ones are going to be straight lines. This circle had a big curved line, but we're going to do straight lines for our square. So we're going to start right here on the top of our circle. And we're going to do 4 straight sides like a square. So I'm going to go straight across, straight up, straight over, and straight back down to where I started. And if you have a little space there, that's fine. You can just fill it in. This part of the apple is going to be the stem. And that's where it attaches to the vine, to the tree. Next, the next shape we're going to use is the triangle. And the triangle is going to be the leaf of the apple. So I'm going to start right here. This is the top of our circle and not on the square. You want to be right next to the square. And I'm going to go straight out, straight up, kind of at an angle because there's only 3 sides, and then back down to where I started. And that is your triangle. Now we have our apple outline finished and we are going to get to color it. Now you need to think about what color an apple might be. So I've seen apples that are red, and I've seen apples that are green, and there are some that are a little yellowish. Those ones are very delicious. So you can pick what color is your favorite color of apple to eat. My favorite color of apple to eat is a red apple. So I'm going to color in my apple with red. And we're going to try to stay in the lines as much as possible. But sometimes that's hard, and it's just something you have to practice. And sometimes I do go out of the line on accident. It was a mistake. But the best thing about art is that there are no mistakes. No mistakes in art. You can always turn your mistakes into something awesome. So next, I'm going to color the stem. And the stem is connected to the branches, so it's going to be brown. In kindergarten, we start to use what we call realistic coloring, and that means that you want to color with colors that are the real colors of what you're drawing. So the real color of a stem is brown, and this is realistic coloring. Next, I have the leaf. So I'm going to use green, fill in my triangle leaf with green. All right, well, I hope you had fun, and I'm so glad that you're in kindergarten this year, and I'm so excited to do more directed drawings with you.